Okay, folks, welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is Robert Desmond. Let's take a look at a recent trade that we just did. I get a lot of emails about what is contrarian trading, and this is a good stock that illustrates what it is. VCRA, daily chart. VCRA, when it hit our screens about 2 weeks ago, I sent out an alert to members about the stock, the fact that we were watching the stock. I went over it in the week ahead commentary. If you're not currently a member, that goes out to members each Sunday on our best stock list for the coming week. And when it hit our screen, VCRA had an RSI of 6, which made it really, really attractive. But there are other reasons why we were looking to get long of the stock. Obviously, they had a bad earnings announcement, and you might ask, what do they do? What do they make? What was wrong with the company? Honestly, I don't know, and I don't care. All I know is that the stock was deeply oversold and ripe for a swing trade. Huge, huge volume to the downside. We got in right about here when nobody else wanted it. I wish we could say that we got right out at the top, but we didn't. But we made a handsome profit in only a few days. I make no apologies for providing my members with a very, very handsome trade. So what we want to do first is we want to take a look at our daily chart. First, qualify it as being a proper contrarian trade for us. And yes, it was. RSI at 6, which is huge, really, really attractive. Stokes were very, very mature. We liked it. Then I went to the weekly chart, which presents a problem because why do I go to a monthly or a weekly chart? Actually, why do I go to a weekly or monthly chart? The reason is you want to look for historical support when you're looking to get long of a contrarian stock. You have to do that. It's ever so critical because it's at that point where you can assess using volume where the shorts may need to cover. And this is on Yahoo Finance. It's available to anybody. I always do this. It's very, very critical. You always want to see what the catalyst to the upside is going to be. In this case, it is a short squeeze. It could be, especially nowadays, a dividend pair, which this is not one, or a stock with extremely good fundamentals, and this was just ridiculously bashed. And unfortunately, this one doesn't have good fundamentals. So we relied solely upon short interest, which it did have quite a bit of shorts in. So what we want to do is we want to take a look at, yes, the percentage of shares short. This is misleading. Too many people fall into this trap because if you have, you could have 10.9% of the shares that are short. And in this case, that is 1.97 million shares that are short of the stock. Now, if the stock traded 1.97 million shares, well, per day on average, that's a one-day short squeeze. No big deal. Really not attractive. However, what made this trade so attractive, and this is what I tell my members every Sunday, is that we want to take a look at the average daily volume. They have 3-month and 10-day. And when we get long of a stock, we want to use the higher of the two numbers because we want to be conservative in just how many days of a potential short squeeze there are. And in this case, we had just over 4 days of a short squeeze. So we knew that we had our catalyst. And with an RSI of 6, well, it was going to be kind of hard to lose money as long as we got out at the right time and we used an appropriate stop loss order. And we built our positions. That is critical. Never go in and buy all at once. We got in, we spent a few days, and we got out. Made a very, very handsome profit. So that's basically, in essence, what a contrarian trade is. And I will be putting out a video today. It's really going to be, it's free, but it's just going to be a rough overview of the stocks we're looking to trade in the coming week. I will post it on YouTube, StockTwits, Twitter, etc. However, if you want to take a look at the weekend commentary, you need to join, take advantage of the 14-day free trial offer. Check out my detailed analysis of the trades we're looking at for the coming week, as well as another video, which I send out every Sunday, which is the week ahead market pulse check, where I go over all of the indexes and sectors to see what's healthy, what's breaking down, are there divergences. So check us out, the Contrarian Trader, 14-day free trial offer. If you have any questions, please shoot me an email. You don't need to be a member. I don't want anybody losing money, and I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Take care, folks. Enjoy the remainder of your weekend. Bye-bye.